have been selected, and choose a nice color for yourself, and have this be around. The students can see the cursor movement and say, and be sure to use it. Say, hey, today's math lesson, and it is recording the mouse as well. You can go off screen here, click on the next one, and start talking about things. Now, as a pro tip, please make your videos less than 10 minutes. Students do not like to watch things that is much longer. Their attention span kind of drops off. And it's true of adults, too. Use as little text as possible, and don't read every single thing they can read. Talk and use the pen as much as possible. So if you're going to maybe make a little math lesson here.
Hello.
And talk about y equals...
How are you doing? Fine?
B is the form, and here is an example.
All right. I'll be listening to you. Okay. Bye-bye.